Hello. Today we will talk about the care of emergency department patients with dizziness and vertigo and discuss diagnosing serious central etiologies for these symptoms. My name is Edward Sloan. I'm with FERNE, the Foundation for Education and Research in Neurological Emergencies. I'm Professor Emeritus at the Department of Emergency Medicine at the U of I at Chicago. I'm Medical Director for the Physician Assistant Studies Program at Dominican University here in River Forest, Illinois. And I'm Medical Director for the New Rose Healthcare Management Group that is helping to staff the emergency department at Roseland Community Hospital with emergency care providers. I want to thank the Emergencies in Medicine group for inviting me to speak on this topic later this month. I have no financial conflicts. I have served as FERNE President and Board Chair for nearly 3 decades. I encourage you to go to our ferne.org website and our YouTube channel for more content related to the optimal care of the patient with dizziness and vertigo. And please follow us on social media for more real-time information on the care of all patients with neurological illnesses, injuries, and emergencies. If you have comments or questions, please get a hold of us at ferne.org@gmail.com. Thank you and have a good day.